Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Sign Addition Rules. Plus, plus, plus equal plus. If you added the sign of plus added into the number already plus. Plus, plus and plus equal plus. It means number with sign of positive or plus. Plus, plus, minus equal plus. Minus, plus, plus equal minus. Minus, if minus plus and plus equal minus. Minus, plus, minus equal sign minus. It means if you added two numbers with sign of minus, basically it adds two number and add the result, and in the result when the answer with a number but sign is minus. So math sign rule addition rules in add mean something going to plus two number. Add mean if two numbers, if you want to add two numbers means 2 plus 2 equal 4. This is addition. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.